Throughout his life, some have called him crazy. But we have listened to every charge and every countercharge, from the crazy claims about death panels to misleading warnings about a government takeover of our health care system. But
we describe it as sort of like a swan, where we're kind of calm and serene above water, but we're paddling like mad, going crazy underneath, trying to look smooth, but there's...
You've given yourselves very little room to work in a bipartisan fashion, because what you've been telling your constituents is, this guy's doing all kinds of crazy stuff that's going to destroy America.
Where does Hollywood come up with these crazy ideas? Bill Maher. Where's Bill Maher? Bill, you here? Bill Maher, one of my favorite comedians.
But during, say, the healthcare debate, when things are just, going crazy over on Capitol Hill, a lot of times I'll just come out here and shoot, or I'll play a game of horse, and it takes an edge off things.
Now, these days, when you're...
Politicians were going crazy. Wasn't some crazy socialist. In fact, the Mavericks played, before the Mavericks played a single game last season, when Jason got his tattoo, he said, when you do something as crazy as I did, you've got to back it up. And he did, by the way, score 27 points to help win the deciding Game 6. Nobody's talking about anything crazy here. Your heating bills must be crazy. Of course, the fans back home went crazy. All this would be funny if it wasn't so crazy. Nothing drives me more crazy than the fact that right now there's great insurance to be had out there, choice and competition, where people can save money for a better product, except too many folks haven't been able to get through the website. Now,
some leverage and some crazy on your side. We have to out-crazy the crazies.
But I've got to assume folks aren't crazy enough to start that thing all over again. And it's also thanks to the often unheralded work of countless Americans who fought tirelessly to pass this law and who organized like crazy these past few months to help their fellow citizens just get the information they needed to get